Until recently, DNA analysis technology has been prohibitively expensive, only accessible to professional scientists and university students working in labs. But now, with its small, portable DNA testing kit, priced around £1,000, startup Bento Bio wants to make it possible for anyone to run basic DNA experiments.
Bento Lab is the first biotechnology tool that's specifically made not just for professional researchers, but really for anybody who wants to be an amateur scientist.
The unit consists of a centrifuge, which extracts DNA, a PCR machine that copies genes, plus a gel unit which visualises the DNA.
Bento Lab is unique in that it combines different lab equipment into one unit that people can take anywhere and that's easy to use. We challenged ourselves to think of a different user, which allowed us to focus on the essentials and fit it all into one box.
Citizen scientists have used the kit to, among other things, find out their blood type and test whether they have genes related to athleticism or mosquito attraction. It's been used in schools and universities to teach genetics, while, in the field, researchers have used it for pre-diagnostics of the Zika virus in Brazil and biodiversity in Madagascar. There are also small business applications for industries using biological materials, such as beer brewing.
I am exploring new ways to do analytics on food and beverage, quickly and on site.
A key application could be quality control.
Imagine being able to tell immediately if there was any beer spoilage bacteria before bottling the beer. This is going to save a lot of money.
Bento Bio is one of a growing number of DIY bio startups, and while people won't be sequencing the human genome at home anytime soon, tools like these are starting to make genetic healthcare options and services far more widely available to businesses and citizen scientists alike.